the ADAC GT Masters on new paths. For the very first time, the League of the Super Sports Cars is welcomed in the Czech Republic. The Autodrom in Most will host races 3 and 4 of the 2018 season. Saturday's race starts in a turbulent way. A mass collision in the first chicane means the end for several GT cars, including the Ferrari from HB Racing.
Suddenly one of the BWT Audis came from nowhere from the right and he cut me off. At the same time the other Audi from the left side came back, so I was in the middle. I tried to brake, but it's impossible to just trying to disappear.
The further course of the race, marked by hard duels. The two-time DTM champion Timo Scheider fights for 6th place with the two-time GT Masters winner Sebastian Asch. At the top, the team of BWT Muka Motorsport clinches a sovereign victory.
It was tough, no question. Yeah, it was the first GT Masters race for me this year, and I'm absolutely happy with that.
In race 2, the spectators again see a wild start phase. After a safety car and restart, the Mercedes-AMG with the Pommer-Goetz duo takes a front seat and keeps the lead up to the checkered flag. It's the first win of the season for the Yellow Mamba.
Great to be on podium again. Since a long time, being on top is just amazing. The team worked hard, the car was perfect today.
The ADAC TCR Germany also offers spectacular racing in Most. Antti Buri from Finland wins race 1 on Saturday. Race 2 ends curiously. Behind race winner Petra Fullin, Luca Engstler is happy 1 lap too early and gives 2nd place to Michel Halder.
Idiot of the day. No, I went, for me, in my opinion, on my last lap. Then I got the pit board, lap 1. Luca, this is the last lap. And then I was like, okay, last lap. You controlled the race. Fullin doesn't score any points, so it's easy to go. And went then on the last corner. And then I just started waving, and then I got a call from the radio. Luca, go on, it's not your last lap.
A misunderstanding that gives Michel Halder the full points.
I'm the happiest girl I've ever seen because it was my first race. I was one in the TCR Germany, and I'm so lucky to be here, and was the first time, and yeah, thank you to everyone.
A successful premiere in the Czech Republic. The next stop for the ADAC GT Masters is the Red Bull Ring in Austria from the 8th to the 10th of June.